So within the range of Miele ovens, the first ones are all analog, use control dials, but as you go up in the range, you'll find that they become fully touch control, like this. And they make a range of full-size ovens, which can be ordered, no problem at all. But this is the 45 centimetre tall built-in micro combi oven. So it's a 1000-watt microwave, it's a fully functional oven and a grill. And the most important thing, which a lot of people don't do, but the most important thing is they can be used in combination. So you can have the real oven on, for instance, cooking your pastry, but the microwave can be on gently cooking the filling. So you get a unique style of cooking. This particular product is easy to connect electrically. It's a low ampage, much lower than some, but still very, very efficient. It has a special stainless steel finish, which they call perfect clean. It's got like a texture to it. So it's very easy to clean. Comes complete with a tray, which is obviously microwave safe. Comes with a typical oven rack there you'd use for your normal oven cooking and things like that. Fully touch control, obviously you've got fan cooking, you've got roasting, you've got grilling, microwaving, combinations, defrosting. You've got an auto setting there, which is where they've done some cooking and obviously stuck the recipe ideas into a menu, so you can look for the different food types, pick the one that's there hopefully that you want, and away you go. You've just got to select the menu and you're off. So that's a 45 centimetre tall built-in micro combi from Miele. I think it's the first one in their range, touch control. Thank you.